Imagine a small striped insect that many people fear and dislike. But what if I told you that wasps are among the smartest, most beneficial, and most fascinating creatures on the planet? They build complex paper structures without any tools, can recognize the faces of other wasps and even humans, paralyze their prey with surgical precision, and control pest populations better than any chemical pesticides. Today we'll take a detailed look at what wasps really are, how their lives are organized, why they sometimes seem so aggressive around people, and what enormous benefits they bring to nature. This will be an exciting journey into a hidden world where wasps appear not as enemies, but as true superheroes of the ecosystem. Subscribe, like the video if you're already scared of these insects, or on the contrary, intrigued, and let's get started. Wasps are a common name for a large group of insects in the order Hymenoptera, specifically the suborder of stinging insects. In the broad sense, wasps include all members of this group except bees and ants. Today, more than 100,000 species of wasps are known. They are extremely diverse in shape, size, lifestyle, and behavior. These insects show every possible stage from completely solitary life to highly organized social life. This makes them a perfect example for studying how social behavior evolved in nature. All wasps are divided into two major groups: solitary and social. Solitary wasps make up the vast majority, about 98 to 99% of all species. Social wasps live in large families with a clear division of roles. The body of any wasp is clearly divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. They have two large compound eyes that give excellent vision, and long antennae that work like powerful sensors for smell and touch. But their main weapon is the sting. This incredible structure can deliver venom containing neurotoxins that paralyze prey, along with substances that cause pain. Wasps can fly with amazing precision, almost like tiny drones. Some can even recognize individual faces of other wasps, and sometimes even human faces. And they are master architects. They create their nests from paper they make themselves by chewing wood and mixing it with saliva. The ways wasps build their nests are incredibly diverse. In social wasps, the queen starts the nest alone. She builds a small canopy and the first cells. When the first workers hatch, they take over the construction, while the queen focuses only on laying eggs. The bigger the nest, the more workers there are in the colony. These nests are strong, well protected, and even maintain their own special microclimate inside. The life of social wasps follows a beautiful seasonal cycle. In spring, a queen who survived the winter starts building her first small nest and raises the first workers all by herself. During summer, the colony grows rapidly. Hundreds and even thousands of workers appear. They build, hunt, and protect the nest, while the queen becomes an egg-laying machine. In autumn, new young queens and males are born. After mating, the young queens find a safe place to spend the winter, and the old colony peacefully comes to an end. Adult wasps love sweet things, nectar and fruit juices. That's why you often see them at picnics. But for their larvae, they need protein, so they become incredible hunters. They catch other insects, carefully paralyze them with a precise sting, and bring them back to the nest. One colony can destroy tens of thousands of pests in a single season. This makes wasps one of nature's best pest controllers. They help keep ecosystems in balance and protect plants without any chemicals. They are true unsung heroes of nature. Social wasps show surprisingly complex behavior. Inside the colony, there is a real hierarchy and teamwork. They can communicate, observe each other, and even correct one another's actions. Their social intelligence is much higher than you would ever expect from such small insects. Wasps bring huge benefits to farming and nature, and scientists are now studying their venom. It may help create new medicines against cancer, powerful painkillers, and new antibiotics. The biggest myth is that wasps are always aggressive. In reality, they usually attack only when they feel their nest is in danger. To avoid problems, don't wave your hands, don't leave sweet food uncovered outside, and if you find a nest near your home, it's best to call professionals. And remember, if someone is allergic to stings, they should seek medical help immediately if they get stung. Wasps are not just striped insects we're used to fearing. They are highly organized, intelligent, and incredibly important for our planet. The next time you see a wasp, try to look at it with new eyes as one of nature's quiet guardians. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Tell me in the comments which facts surprised you the most, and subscribe for more amazing stories about nature. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of nature and yourself. See you in the next video.